The unthinkable has happened. Nuclear war, cities obliterated, skies turned to ash, the world as we know it gone. But nature doesn't care about our wars. When humanity fades, life will find a way to go on, and the new rulers of Earth may already be here. In the hours after a nuclear war, billions perish, the planet is engulfed in chaos, radiation blankets the Earth, and nuclear winter begins. Temperatures drop, crops fail, the food chain collapses. But some creatures are designed to survive the unimaginable. These survivors will inherit the Earth. First on the list, cockroaches. Known for their resilience, these scavengers can endure radiation levels 10 times higher than humans. They'll thrive in our ruins, feeding on whatever scraps remain. And then there's the tardigrade. Also known as the water bear, this microscopic creature can survive extreme radiation, freezing temperatures, and even the vacuum of space. If anything outlives humanity, it's this tiny survivor. In the depths of the ocean, life continues uninterrupted. Creatures near hydrothermal vents, like tube worms and blind crustaceans, live in ecosystems independent of sunlight. These bizarre organisms may never even notice the end of the world above. But survival is just the beginning. Radiation doesn't just kill, it changes. Creatures exposed to radiation will mutate, and evolution will accelerate in ways we can't imagine. Rats, already adept at surviving in human cities, will thrive in this new world. Burrowing underground protects them from radiation, and their rapid reproduction ensures quick adaptation. Could we see supersized rodents dominating the future? Snakes, too, will thrive. Cold-blooded and efficient hunters, they'll adapt to the barren wasteland, preying on smaller survivors. Over generations, they may grow larger, faster, and more lethal. As humans disappear, the Earth begins to heal. Slowly, radiation levels drop. Hardy plants take root and life evolves to fit this strange new world. The creatures that survive will be unlike anything we know today. New predators, new prey, a planet shaped by radiation and resilience. The Earth will continue without us, but the question remains, if humans are no longer here, who or what will take our place? And could the seeds of that future already be among us? If this video left you thinking or fearing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts. Which creature do you think will survive, and what will they become? Let's explore the unknown together. Torah.